Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your stash in Path of Exile 2. First, let's understand the different types of stash tabs available to you. Begin by organizing your inventory to make the most of your storage space. Make sure to utilize specialized tabs like the currency and unique item tabs, as they offer dedicated slots for specific item types. Thinking about premium tabs early can also greatly enhance your organizational capabilities. Now, let's dive into more advanced organization techniques. You can create custom names for your stash tabs to clearly label their contents, making it easier to find what you need. Assigning specific colors to different tab types also provides a quick visual cue. Don't forget to set up affinity options for automatic sorting, and always group related items together in dedicated, themed tabs for maximum efficiency. Premium stash tabs offer significant benefits for serious players. They provide enhanced customization options, allowing for even more precise organization. Trade tabs are incredibly useful for simplifying the process of selling items to other players, streamlining your marketplace interactions. Additionally, specialized tabs like map tabs and fragment tabs consolidate all your variations and valuable fragments, saving you a lot of time and inventory space. To keep your stash in top shape, regular maintenance is key. Make sure to regularly clear out any unneeded items to prevent clutter and free up space. It's also crucial to maintain a consistent organizational system across all your tabs, ensuring everything has its place. Periodically review your tab layouts to see if any improvements can be made, and always plan for your future item storage needs as you progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.